Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I wanted to do an update on BLNK charging. I covered this one in FCell and Plug, looks like back on the 25th of January. And from what I see, it's having a great day here today. So I wanted to go over that. BLNK charging, BLNK is the ticker, and you can trade it here on Robinhood. If you're looking to get a different platform other than Robinhood, I have several links in the description. Feel free to help yourself and get some free stock, whether it be Moomoo, Firstrade, Webull. They're all good platforms. Webull's an excellent platform. And also, if you don't have Robinhood, I have a Robinhood link in there as well. So, but back to BLNK charging. If you don't know what this one is, it's in the operation and provision of electric vehicle. If you follow my channel, we're all about electric vehicles here. Anything that we can make money in regards to the new administration. Charging equipment and networked EV charging services. Its product line and services include BLNK EV charging network, charging equipment, and known as electric vehicle supply equipment. And feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. Founded in 2006, a $1.5 billion market cap. And kind of goes over their earnings there. They have earnings coming up on March 31st after hours. I don't own any of this one here in Robinhood. As you can see, I tried buying it on November 18th for $13.54 and probably lowballed it, so therefore it did not fill, but $13.54 back in November. And so that's tripled in price since then, so about 4 or 5 months. So, but I have some information to go over here in regards to BLNK charging. This just kind of goes. This is a couple days ago on the 8th, talking about why it plummeted 23% in February. According to the data provided by S&P, investors may have found the stock's fall last month surprising, considering the bevy of encouraging news items regarding the company's expansion. However, those who follow the EV space closely were likely less surprised, considering the movements of other EV-related stocks. And a lot of my EV stocks are down. NIO, Xpeng, Lee, Tesla's down. I haven't checked any of those today. I think Tesla's back up from last week on the 5th, but should have bought the dip on all of them last week, but didn't have the cash. So, but I'm not going to read this whole article here, so feel free to pause and you can read the rest there for yourself. Otherwise, that's on NASDAQ.com. BLNK charging awarded a grant from Ohio Environment Protection Agency to place 144 chargers, and this is just dated today. So the trust fund to place 144 BLNK IQ 200 fast charging stations at 32 sites across the state. The BLNK locations will include healthcare centers, hotels, and municipal parking lots, among others, as part of the grant program established to improve Ohioans' access to the EV charging infrastructure. BLNK will own and operate the charging stations under long-term agreements with the location site hosts. So kind of cool information here, and getting ready for the future with all the EVs and placing chargers around. So I know Tesla has theirs, and there's a couple other companies that have their own, but it's always good to see them expanding and getting into other avenues, and so we can all make money off of it, so we can all grow and together. So these are kind of the picks and shovels, if you will, behind the EVs. So we are pleased that we have won the significant deployment opportunity from the state of Ohio as it expands the EV charging footprint and strengthens the charging infrastructure across several counties. And feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. Otherwise, this is on apnews.com. Why BLNK charging stock is trading higher today. This is dated the 9th. Shares are trading higher after Cohen and Company initiated coverage on the stock with an outperform rating and a price target of $38 per share. Growth stocks across the EV and EV services sectors at large are also trading higher amid a drop in treasury yields. BLNK Charging Company is an owner, operator, and provider of electric vehicle charging services. And so the price action, BLNK shares are trading higher at 21.91 at $34.89 Tuesday afternoon. The stock has a 52-week high of $64.50 and a 52-week high of $1.25. So if you could have got it in at $1.25, you'd have a mint. That's quite the run-up. And this one is actually today. Why BLNK charging stock is electric today. It's electrified. So grabbed headlines again today is a good way announcing that it has won another grant of state funding to expand its car charging network. BLNK investors are cheering, and BLNK stock is up 10.3% at 10 a.m. Eastern trading. So what did BLNK do this time? Well, similar to last month's win of state funding from Vermont, this time around BLNK is getting some money from Ohio state government. And we've kind of already went over some of this information, so I won't read that to you again. Back to StockTwits. Let's see if we can find any good information in here. Long market in June. Also, if you have any shares of this one, go ahead and put it in the comments. That would be interesting to know your cost basis, how many shares you have, and if you like this one, or if there's other charging out there that you prefer over this one. Battery stations is the next BLNK. I've covered IDEX a couple times. I did hear that they had some battery charging stations. I got into IDEX because of the tractors here, but another interesting company. LZSC I've covered numerous times. Plug BLNK I've covered. Tesla I've covered. 65% in 1 week, but yet he's bearish. So, but that's about it for BLNK charging. Like I said, if you have any of this one, go ahead and put it in the comments. But it's had quite a run up today, and had an excellent week, 30%. Not so great of a month, but the last week has been pretty good. The last 3 months, not too bad, and the year is just fabulous. That's just outstanding there. So, but if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and give that a big Hulk smash for me, as well as subscribing. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month here, and go ahead and hit that bell so you're notified of when my next videos drop. Again, this is J Money. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.